$100 years ago, breakfast in America could literally stop your heart. Before protein shakes, before Starbucks, before fast food, millions of Americans began their mornings with thick cured bacon, greasy mutton, syrup-soaked flapjacks, and steaming bowls of porridge. But this wasn't luxury. This was survival. In the early 1900s, America believed the future belonged to them. Factories were booming, cities were growing, and millions of people worked exhausting hours every single day. Food wasn't just comfort, it was fuel.
For wealthy Americans, extravagant meals became symbols of status and power. For workers, massive portions were necessary just to survive brutal industrial labor.
Invented in 1899, the dish was so rich and decadent that it was named after John D. Rockefeller, one of the wealthiest men in America. For decades, Americans tried to uncover the secret hidden inside Oysters Rockefeller. While the rich feasted on oysters and exotic meats, millions survived on humble food meant only to silence hunger. By 1909, America had developed a dangerous sweet tooth. The average American consumed over 65 pounds of sugar every year. America was changing faster than anyone could imagine, and food was changing with it.
In just 1 century, America transformed its food, its culture, and itself. But maybe the strangest part is this: the more modern food became, the further it drifted from where it began.